Machines don't wait. Jobs change. Parts vary. That's why we built ROBBI Mobile, welding automation that moves with you. Roll it in, plug it in, start welding. Programming has never been this easy. With the ESAB Teach tool, you don't code, you guide. Simply move the torch along the weld path. The Cobot learns by demonstration. Skilled welder, new hire, welding instructor, doesn't matter. Training takes minutes. Whether you're welding steel brackets, frames, or general assemblies, every weld is precise and reliable. Perfect for both small batch production and repeatable high-volume jobs. Simple automation, serious results. Designed for flexibility, built for scalability. One operator, multiple jobs, limitless potential. ROBBI, safer, smarter, faster.